My name is Julliard Florague, a student of Civil Engineering from Mapua University. Today is our big product pitch challenge. This allows me to present my innovation project using the NABC approach. Did you experience catching a cold or a fever frequently? Maybe it is caused by viruses in the air around you, or maybe you are exposed to someone with an illness. Throughout the years, emerging infectious diseases have always been a concern in public health. Today, we are currently suffering from a coronavirus outbreak, which threatens human health. The global COVID-19 pandemic has also challenged the availability of disinfectants. That is why we need to develop an alternative solution to fight this species to avoid spreading. So to solve this problem, we created a technology that uses AI and an autonomous driving system, which are indeed a great help for us. I will introduce my innovation called Purify Self-Driving Disinfection System. This innovative product is a machine or equipment that can be used as a simple solution for the immediate disinfection of rooms and spaces of all surfaces in one process. The automation system can help reduce the human resources spent on cleaning and disinfection and minimize the risk of exposure. Thus, having this innovation, we are committed to serve the needs of the people amidst the pandemic.